Okay, here we have 6 Bryant Sentry units at another hotel near my town. Here's this one. The guy has an LG scroll compressor. And these units are located right by the hotel with that Bosch heat pump I just made a video of. And I think these units are Sentry units. This one's a 3-ton from 2020. And yeah, I think these are Sentry units because, yeah. I think these are kind of like the legacy line units and comforts, but except these are like baseline units, I guess. Here's this one. Also has an LG. This one's a 5-ton from 2020. Here's this one. 4-ton from 2020. Interesting that that one's bigger than this one, even though this one's bigger in tonnage. And here's this Bryant. And this one actually has a Copeland scroll. Three and a half ton from 2020. And I think these are all straight cool units. And then there's that one. Don't feel like getting the date on that one. Not sure if any of these have been running. I'd probably assume they probably haven't been because it is in the low 30s this morning. I don't know though. One of these could have been running because hotels seem to run their ACs a lot, even in the winter, especially around here for some reason. But yeah, just trying to get a quick video of these 6 units. Anyways, thanks for watching.